right, first I want to welcome you back to the Bearded Kitchen. Today we're going to be showing y'all how we make a honey butter chicken biscuit. We're going to start with just some chicken tenderloins. It's boneless, skinless. You can also use boneless, skinless chicken breast. On the tenderloins, I just took and cut them in half. I'll probably use 2 pieces per biscuit. We got our jumbo fluffy biscuits right here. Go ahead, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And I've already got the grease in the pan. I've already got it going. I've got it pretty close to ready to fry. All-purpose flour. Move this down so y'all can see that. No set amount. Just put in enough that you think you'll be able to mix all of your boneless, skinless chicken in. Lowry seasoned salt. Pour it in. Cover the whole top pretty good. Fajita seasoning. Same thing. Pour quite a bit of that in there. Regular old pepper. Put some of that across the whole top. Get you something to mix with. Mix that up. Get all that seasoning mixed in real good with all your flour. Milk. In a separate bowl. Pour you some milk in there. Maybe about, for what I'm doing, maybe 1.5 cups, 2 cups of milk. I do 2 eggs. Crack those into your milk. Pick out your egg shells. 1 more egg. Get your eggs in there. Whisk it up. Once you whisk that up, you'll be ready to go ahead and start frying your chicken. And I've said it in one of the previous videos, but if you didn't watch that one, I'm going to show you how you'll know when your grease is ready. Get you a little bit of pinch of flour. Put it down in there. And you'll hear it sizzle and it'll bubble. If it doesn't bubble and it doesn't sizzle, it's not ready. Take your boneless, skinless chicken breast. Come inside on the flour. Put it on the flour. And the milk. Back to the flour. That's ready to go in the frying pan. And you're going to repeat that with all the chicken you've got there. All right, real important, you want to make sure you're constantly flipping your chicken every once in a while or you'll start to burn the bottom side. Don't want that to happen. We've got our oven preheated up to 350 degrees. We'll take our jumbo biscuits. I've already busted it open. An ungreased pan. Place your biscuits down in it. placed in there. They're ready to go in the oven. I'm going to set the timer on 12 minutes. It's going to take somewhere around 12 to 15 minutes to get them done. You want to keep an eye on them. Don't be letting them burn. Let the bottom doesn't burn that's on the touch of the pan. Go ahead and put them in. All right, we got our chicken done. Put it on a plate with a paper towel on it to soak up some of that grease. We got our biscuits done. Got a golden top on them. Now you're ready to go ahead and make your honey butter chicken biscuit. Okay, split you a biscuit in half. Get you a little bit of unsalted butter. Spread that across the top of it. Get that butter in there. Go ahead, take your piece of chicken. Lay it in there. Put you some honey across the top of it. Spread that around a bit. That's ready to eat. That's lip flapping good.